Leah is attempting to take Spider's bike off the trailer all by herself.
Keep going. Got a little ways to go.
Laser, get out of the way. And here she goes. Getting there. Got one.
Here's what's pretty cool is that Spider's going to really appreciate you taking his bike off in your pajamas.
Yes.
And that mom's videotaping you.
Wow.
And she's doing it. Don't worry, Spider. Oh, 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 oh.
Come on back.
Oh, my Lord.
If you watch up here, this will tell you what the whole bike's doing. If it's starting to lean or whatever.
Whoa.
Can you not make any noise, Mom? Because I'm fine. This is lighter than my bike.
Sorry, Spider, but Leah dropped your bike on the left side.
This is lighter. Later move!
Yep. And there she goes.
This is making a weird noise.
And what do you say about that? Oh, going back here. Oh, can't see.
There's no kickstand!
There's no kicks. I'm dying over here.
I like my bike better.
Now you feel a little bit of Spider's pain, don't you?
Say bye, Spider.